power users of OpenCode aren't just typing prompts. They're running 60 plus plugins in the background. A free GitHub repo just consolidated all of them in one place. 6,700 stars and growing fast. If you haven't installed any, that's the gap. The repo is awesome OpenCode. It's the curated stack power users layer on top of their setup. You get memory plugins for persistent context, multi-agent orchestration for coordinated workflows, token tracking so you don't burn through your budget invisibly, notifications for long-running tasks, everything in one repo ready to plug in. What this changes is the ceiling. Casual users run OpenCode as a chat, power users run it as a workspace with team-like coordination, memory and observability built in. The gap between the two is widening every week. But knowing one repo isn't the moat. The developers genuinely operating at the top tier are running 10 stacks like this in one quiet workflow most haven't built yet. The gap between casual and power user isn't experience, it's the toolkit. The 9 rupees AI tools for 10x Techies workshop opens it up. Tap the link to register. Limited seats available.